The Stars of the Universe by Daniele. Have you ever wondered about what's beyond the universe? Whether there are other people living out there? A queen named Mesmeldia, for example, sitting all day long in her palace, placed on the 78th planet. She is always happy to have guests, as they are not common. She will sing, dance, perform, and will want to hear out your stories. But then comes a time for the guests to leave, and this will make the queen unhappy, and she might cry. And she will cry, and cry, and she will cry a river, and that river will reach Mr. Tool from the neighboring planet. Mr. Tool is handmade. He was created by someone. His planet, Desertsa, is used by other planets for experiences. Mr. Tool is also very motionless, and you will want to have a poker face contest. As Mr. Tool is technologically made, water is his enemy. It could harm him and make him sick. But the tears from the queen have become stronger, reaching out to Mr. Tool's planet in forms of rain. Better leave this place. Now where should we visit? Oh, it seems like someone is arriving. Should we pay them a visit? Welcome to Nanwingi. I'm Weegwind. This is my wife, Suzanne. Oh my, it is so dark here. Where are they? Nanwingi was a planet located far from the sun, so it was mostly dark there. It wasn't densely populated, but you could differ the Nanwingmans apart from other species due to their distinct hair colors and wings. A loud thud was heard, and the tree was hit by lightning. What was that? For 3 moons now, our planet is the target of Rantoningu. He wanted to become the king of Nanwingia. But Nanwingia doesn't have kings. We live in peace and harmony while being all equal. So he moved to the neighboring planet, kicked out the small population that was living there, and he calls that place his now. And now, every now and then, he tries conquering other planets, and whenever he passes by ours, he'd hit us with lightning. Usually once in a while, it is all right, and we ignore it, but sometimes if his lightning hits a tree, it might end up in a fire. And the thing is, although the fire does burn houses and crops, damaging our planet, Nanwingia is also a night planet. Everything here grows under the moonlight, and even the people itself are not used to light. However, whenever he passes by, light lasts for a while, and this little while that happens every once and then has affected our crops. I see. There is no way he should stop doing that? Well, unless we let him become our king. I believe there is no other way. But didn't he already conquer a planet? He doesn't really care. He wants to have power. He wants to be king. How about we pay him a visit then? And as the thunder and the rain danced, our young hero left to the neighboring planet, the planet with no name. The planet was small but beautiful and as blue as a sapphire. I wonder where he is. Why should I even say? What should I even say? And this place is beautiful, though. A loud thud was heard. What is this? Followed by footsteps. Oh, my goodness gracious. My lady, are you all right? That's a kid. Who is he? Who is she? Perhaps. Oh my, they said that the tyrant was living here alone after having conquered the planet. Oh my, was the kid kidnapped and forced to serve the man? Excuse me, miss, there is no one else living on this planet. What do you mean? I'm the only one living here. How come? I have always been the only one living here. Well, if not surprise attacks I receive from the other planets. Wasn't there a man who came by, attacked this planet, and took it over, and chased all of its citizens away? Oh, no. Have you been brainwashed? I think you were the one who was brainwashy, whatever. So, you are the only one on this planet. Well, yeah, before you came. Wait, didn't you say you got surprise attacks? Yeah, the Nanwingians, or whatever they are called, miss. The Nanwingians? What on earth is happening? What's wrong? The thing is, before I came here, I heard a different story. Partly that the tyrant living here was the one attacking everyone. Can I trust him, though? There indeed is no one present here, and he doesn't seem to be lying. Either he is an accomplice, his life is on the plate, or he really is not lying. Miss, I don't know who told you such lies, for I can prove no one but me lives on this planet. There used to be, but no more. How will you do that? Or what? Will you lead me to a trap? I'll lead you around. It is a small planet. It won't take long. And so as he said, they went around the planet to find no one but them alive. The place was deserted, as if they had all run away. What happened here? The Nanwingians attacked us. They took everyone, and no one ever came back. It was a harsh battle with both sides giving their all. However, the Nanwingians overpowered them and ended up winning, taking them as hostages. No one was left but the kid who was hiding, too scared to come out. They might have told you that they were attacked, but that is a lie. They have been attacking other planets for a while now. This is how they survive. But why do they do that? Order from the Queen, of course. Who else but her would want new toys to play with? The Queen? Which one? The one and only Queen of the 78th planet. Queen Mesmeldia. Mesmeldia, but she seems so sweet. Don't judge a book by its cover. They also say don't talk nor trust strangers. To how many strangers have you talked before coming here? True enough. Still, it is unbelievable. What's so surprising? It is called survival of the fittest. It's a dog-eat-dog world. But must others suffer from you? Why should they not? Why should I think about them? Has anyone ever thought of what I felt when I was nominated queen and had to be all alone on that planet? Has anyone? No. Why should I? But must you really in such harsh measures? Rely on such harsh measures. Sweetheart, what other way will they understand? Now, how about I add you to my collection? It was really hard letting you go at the beginning, you know. Now, there's no need to run away. It will be fast. Oh, my bedroom. Was it all just a dream? All right, back to sleep then. And just like that, with the sweet sounds of the night, our adventurer went on another adventure. There are two possibilities. Either we are alone in the universe, or we are not. Are we alone, though? The stars of the universe shine. Where people are stars, where people shine upon earth and are connected with us through our dreams. The end.